Assalamualaikum and good morning, Wan Mutiara. How are you today? I hope you are ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri. Okay, so today is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday, Isnin. 28 Jun 2021. 28 hari bulan Jun 2021. Wan Mutiara, English. And look at the face. This is a smiley face. Okay. Muka senyum. Okay. Smiley ni cakap, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Semoga hari awak indah hari ini. Okay. So today we will learn color. Okay. Colors. Alright. So please follow me. Okay. Sila ikut saya baca. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Okay, so this is blue color. Okay. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. This is red color. Okay. G-R-E-E-N. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Green. Okay. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Yellow. Okay. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-I-N-K. Pink. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. P-U-R-P-L-E. Purple. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. This is color brown. Brown color. Okay. B-L-A-C-K. Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. W-H-I-T-E. White. W-H-I-T-E. White. Okay. So let's read again. Kita baca semula. Blue. Red. Green. Yellow. Pink. Purple. Orange. Brown. Black. White. Okay. So after this, you have to answer your module page 73. Okay, jawab soalan di dalam modul muka surat 73. Okay. So, tengok warna yang digariskan. Green, black. Green, black. So, this one kena warna green and black. Okay, kita bacalah. What color is the snake? The snake is green and black. So, awak kena warnakan green and black. Cuba cari. Green, black. Okay. What color is the crocodile? The crocodile is green. Okay, so crocodile warna green. What color is the butterfly? The butterfly is black, blue and yellow. So ada 3 warna, 3 colors. Black, blue and yellow. Okay. What color is the tiger? The tiger is orange, white and black. Okay. Orange, white and black. Orange, white and black. Okay. What color is the giraffe? The giraffe is brown and white. Okay, tengok brown and white. Brown like this color. White, this color. Okay. So, very easy. And also, jangan lupa dekat bahagian day, sila tuliskan hari. Monday. And the date pun sila tulis. 28 Jun 2021. Kalau tak ingat, boleh tengok semula di bahagian sini Monday. Okay, 28 Jun 2021. Okay, so that's all for today. And thank you.